Hello everyone, welcome to Neurosapiens.
In today's tutorial, we'll look at how to add in a nested block quote. So we'll start here by creating a new markdown cell. And so just a usual block quote, this is with the greater than symbol, followed by the quote. So we'll add in a quote here. Sometimes it is better to leave something alone, to pause, and that is very true of programming. This is a quote here by Joyce Wheeler. And so if we run this, this is just a normal block quote. So if we want to add it in a nested block quote, we need to enter two greater than symbols, followed by the content. So code is like humor. When you have to explain it, it is bad. So this quote here is by Corey House. So now once we run this, we have a nested quote. So this inner quote here is the nested block quote. So this is how to add a nested block quote to a markdown cell for Jupyter Notebook.
If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and click the notification bell for weekly videos. Please share the video with anyone who you think would benefit from the content and comment below what topics you would like to learn. If you would like to support this channel and have the means to do so, the best way will be via my Patreon link in the description below. Happy learning and I'll see you in the next tutorial.